Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change pin lock password to alphanumeric lock screen password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Suppose if you have set any pin in your phone while unlocking your phone, it will ask your pin. You have to give the pin to unlock your phone. I have given my pin 1996. Okay. I would like to change this 1996 to some other alphanumeric password. So what I have to do? Just to follow my video so that you can also easily change it yourself. Just go to the settings of your phone first, then go to lock screen and then go to lock screen lock and biometrics, and once again it will ask your current pin for authentication and confirmation. So give the current pin. Current pin in my phone 1996 I have given, and it is now gone to this display, and here you have to choose password to set alphanumeric password. Okay. So if you choose password here, what you set, that will be the alphanumeric password. Here minimum 4 characters should be used and 1 letter should be used. Okay. This is called alphanumeric. So I would like to use Mickey 20 and click on continue. Again you have to type the same alphanumeric password to confirm. So again I type Mickey 20 and click on OK. Yes. Now password has been changed from 1996 to Mickey 20. That means pin to alphanumeric. It has been changed from pin lock screen password to alphanumeric lock screen password. Okay. So hereafter I got to give the alphanumeric lock screen password to unlock my phone. So while unlocking, it is asking alphanumeric password, that is Mickey 20 in my case. See, click on the tick mark. Yes, it has been changed. In this way you can easily change from pin lock password to alphanumeric password at any time in your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.